Hello and welcome to One2Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the voice message option on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Discord on your PC. If you don't have Discord, you can download and install Discord from the web, log into your account, and let's go ahead and try this. Go to any server or profile and you can see the plus icon over here. Once you click it, if the voice message doesn't appear, I'm going to teach you how you can do so, and it will enable the voice message option and you can send the voice message to your favorite people. So the first thing you want to do is close Discord. Go ahead and close it and go to its icon and click on quit Discord as well. Then what you need to do is go to vencord.dev, and this is the home page of it. After that, go ahead and click on download Vencord and click on this link over here. After you click it, Vencord will be downloaded. Then after it downloads, go ahead and click on open file and you can install it. So you can go ahead and click on open file. Now you can click on stable over here and click install. It will say if Discord is still open, fully close it, then start it and verify Vencord installed successfully by looking for its category on Discord settings. Go ahead and click on OK. You can see that the file has been downloaded to this location. If you want to open the directory, go ahead and click on it and it will open its file location. Now what we need to do is go back to Discord. Just go ahead and search for Discord and open it. After you open it, Vencord might have been already installed on your Vencord Discord. So let's go ahead and open Discord. It will take some time because we totally closed it. After it'll open up, what you will need to do is click on the settings, which is over here. So click on the user settings and scroll a bit down and you can see that Vencord has been installed. Now click on Vencord over here and you can see some of the settings which can be used. Go to plugins, which is over here, scroll a bit down and find voice messages. Go ahead and search for voice messages, scroll a bit down and turn this on. So if this is defaultly turned off, go ahead and turn it on. It allows you to send voice messages like on mobile. To do so, right click on the upload button and you can do it. So enable it. Let's go ahead and go to one of our channels, click on the plus icon and there you go. You can see the send voice message option. Go ahead and tap on it. You can see the start recording option. Just go ahead and click on it and start recording. Hello and welcome to the channel. So you can go ahead and click on stop recording after that and you can preview it as well. Hello and welcome to the channel. So there you go. Go ahead and click on upload file if you want to upload your file which is on your PC, or else go ahead and click on send. After you do so, you can see that in a while the voice message will be sent to the server or the channel. So guys, this is how you can enable the voice message option on your Discord on PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.